Hello and welcome to xRM1 Business Solutions. xRM1 is a globally active software manufacturer for business solutions based on the Microsoft Dynamics platform. We are offering solutions for project, HR, and idea management, as well as time tracking.
Hello and welcome to today's training session for licenses and security roles. This webcast is regarding Crm Project, the software for professional project management in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Today we want to talk about the security roles and licenses. So first I would like you to give a quick overview of the Crm Project security roles, about the licenses and how you can assign the import the license and assign the licenses and how you can manage these. In Crm Project we have the following security roles delivered in standard. Of course you are always free to modify them or even create your own security roles and assign those to the people. The security works the same way as all CRM security roles, so you always have the same rights and can modify them if you are aware of these. So these security roles are basically built for the people to use the functionalities. We have, for example, the Crm Project Absence Submitter. You should assign this security roles to the people if they should do absence management, but it's for the individual absence management to submit personal vacations or compensatory leaves. The next one is the Crm Project Administrator. Of course, this is for administrating Crm project. Then we have the Crm Project HR Manager. This security role is for the HR Manager. It enables the global absence administration as well as the HR form on the user. So if you have this security role, you can enter public holidays, for example, or can edit the leave of or the hourly costs of the users in the system. I think the most important roles is the project manager or the project assistant. These are mainly the same security roles. With the project manager you have the possibility to see all projects, manage all projects and do project management. The project assistant is a copy of the project manager, but you can enable this, for example, for the view project assistant, which is mainly built for only the internal view on the project, not the external view. We have the time entry security role. This is for the whole time entry administration. If you have users that do want to do time entry, then they usually should get the time entry. So for example, it's a usual project employee, then he should get the time entry and the absence submitter security role. We also have, I will jump two down, the time entry restricted and the time recording administrator. These two are only needed if you don't use the time entry role. This is needed if you, for example, say that the users only should see project notes that they are assigned to. They should not see all projects. Then you give them the time entry restricted roles, but don't the time entry, because then it's enabled. If you have a time entry restricted role, you should also have a time recording administrator. This is the one that you set up as the calling user to do the calculations for the people with the restricted role. And there's one role left. It's the Crm Project Template Manager. With this security role, you have the possibility to set projects to templates and publish the templates. Again, this is delivered in standard. It's a suggestion. You can modify them if you want to get more in that. Either look into the security roles or look up on the manual. This gives the rights to the entities, like read, write, in which frame you want to read and write the entities itself. But to be able to use Crm Project, the users also need a license. And because there's so much functionalities in Crm Project, we have split the licenses to only the functionalities that these roles need. So we have 4 kinds of licenses: the employee, standard billing and invoicing, standard resource management, professional and enterprise, and depending on the functionalities they need, they just need to buy the licenses. So for example, if it's just somebody doing time entry, then he would need the employee license. Or if he's, for example, doing global projects, then he would need the enterprise license. Now let's see how we do the license assignment, how you get a license, how you import a license, and how you assign this to the people. If you need a license, you can request it on our website. You will get sent this license via email. I have already downloaded the license, so we want to put that into a system. Therefore, we have several ways. One way is we go to the settings, go to the solutions, and go to the xRM1 solution. Within the xRM1 solution, we have the licensing, and we can upload the license here. You already see the status. In my case, the license is already valid. If I want to upload a license, I go to license upload, take the license. It's a license file. Take that, open that, and it will be uploaded. So you can then publish it, and it will be there, and it will be uploaded. And you see that the license is there. Now that the license is there, we want to check the licenses that we have. Therefore, I'm going to close this and go into the settings and go to xRM1 settings. Within the xRM1 settings, we can see the xRM1 license type we have in the system. So we see here all licenses. We have the license amount and its expiration date. So now we can assign these licenses to the people. Therefore, we go again back to the xRM1 settings and we go to license assignments, xRM1 license assignments. And if we want to assign this to somebody, I'm going to open up an existing one. So for example, Paul Morrison. And he has the CRM Project Enterprise. So you just select. So here we select the license user and the license type and then save that, and he gets the license. I already showed that we need the licenses to enable the functionalities, and with the security roles we can give the rights. So you can have all security roles even though you don't have enough licenses, but still the functionality won't work. So that way you can have all security roles to a certain license, but not every security role makes sense. If you just want to start with CRM Project, it then makes sense if you create a license assignment that you say assign roles automatically, and if you create a license assignment like that, the person that you have selected will get automatically assigned the security roles that make sense with this license type. And you can then again, of course, modify that. If you have assigned the license assignments, let's go back. It is important that you only assign the licenses that you have, because if you assign more licenses than you have, the software will be blocked for all users. To check the licenses available, you can open up a chart, the license assignments chart, and you see in blue the licenses available and in orange the licenses assigned. So for example, for the enterprise we still have 29 licenses left. If somebody is leaving the company, you can just reassign this license to somebody else. So in here you assign the license to the people. You can check what you have, and the people are enabled to work with CRM Project.
For more information regarding our products, services, customer experience, and support, you are invited to visit our website, xrm1.com.